Hey there, South Florida. Good Tuesday morning. I'm morning meteorologist Julie Durda. Lots going on this morning. We saw some very strong storms moving in over parts of the area. We will see that slight chance of some coastal showers hanging on until about 10 o'clock. Then you notice the storms that do develop will head inland and towards the west coast of South Florida. We'll do it all over again tonight. Some coastal showers possible by tomorrow morning, and then some afternoon inland storms will be in the forecast. A better chance of some tropical moisture could start to move in by Thursday and Friday. We'll keep you posted right here on Local 10. So highs today in the lower 90s, so we feel more like the triple digits because of the heat and the humidity that we'll have in place. Isolated storm can't be ruled out. We are anticipating that chance of showers on and off throughout the afternoon just west of the turnpike. Going to the tropics, there's an area we're watching with a 70% chance of tropical cyclone development. Models have it moving over the Atlantic, so we'll continue to watch it. Have a great day.